In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create stickers here in Canva, or should I say the sticker effect, just like this. So if we take a look at these graphics, we can see that they've got that standard sticker effect with that white outline round the outside. Now, if you're wondering where I got these graphics from, it was from this creator here on Creative Fabrica. What I'll do is link this creator down in the description below because they have some really nice graphics. Now, the one that I chose was this one just here, which is this cute Valentine's Day Clipart set. Now, what I'll do is also link this down in the description as well. Now, disclaimer, please note that they are affiliate links. So, if we come back over to here, we can get these graphics up. I've got them all here within a folder here in Canva. So let's go ahead and put some of these onto the page. First of all, let's just actually put some of these on the page. Let's take that one. Let's take this one as well. Let's take the glasses, make that smaller as well, just like that. Let's take a couple more. Let's take a rose and maybe one more. Let's go with these cute teddy bears. Now, let's just make that a bit smaller, put that there as well. Now, to create this sticker effect is really simple. We want to click onto the image, come up to Edit Image, then we want to use Shadows. So if we click on there, click on Glow, then if we click again, we get a few different settings. What we want to do is turn the blur all the way down, the transparency all of the way up. We want to change the color to white, and then we can change the size to round about 15. And as we can see, we've now got that sticker effect. Now let's go ahead and do these other ones as well. We're going to click onto the image, click onto the glow option up here. We're then going to click on it again, turn the blur down, transparency all the way up, change the color to white, and then change that to 15 and click apply. We can then do the next one. So glow, click again, transparency all the way up, blur all the way down, change the color to white, change this to 15, and there we go. So as you can see, it's really simple to create this sticker effect. We click on the glow, we click again, transparency all the way up, blur all of the way down, color to white, size to 15, and there we go. Now let's just do this last one as well. Click on glow, click again, transparency all the way up, blur all the way down, color to white, size to 15, and then that's done. So again, as you can see, it's really simple to create this sticker effect. Now, when you go to download these, you're obviously going to want a transparent background. So let's just go ahead and delete this and make this one bigger. Now, to download this as a transparent background, you do need a Canva Pro account. Then you just want to come up to Share, go to Download, make sure that it's on PNG, click Transparent Background, make sure you have the right page enabled, which is page number 3, click Done, Download, then we have our sticker just like that. So that's how to create stickers here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.